If your Henry won't turn on, but the little light on top is still on, don't give up on him, because in the next couple of minutes I'm going to show you what the problem is and how to repair it. Likewise, if your light isn't coming on at all, don't panic, just fast forward and I'll show you what the problem is with yours and how to fix it too. As always, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. It might be that you have an older Henry that hasn't got this light on top. That's not a problem. I do have another video in the description, which is how to fix any Henry, which is going to look at the older models too. Let's find out where you're losing power. So, just to demonstrate, this is what happens inside a Henry with the power. It comes in through the plug and cable, goes round and through the connectors inside here. It then travels to the light, then to the switch, and then to the motor. So, if your light is on, then it's not a problem with the cable, because power is getting to the light. It must be one of these two things. So, if you've been having farty noises, a bit of smoke, and your Henry's been sounding a bit unhealthy, then it's going to be the motor. But that's only probably 5% of cases. If it's a sudden overnight thing, or is just playing up and sometimes won't turn on, the problem is with the switch. Now, you can buy these from my website, henrybags.co.uk, but let's face it, everyone's struggling nowadays. So I've done a video to actually show you how to repair your current switch for free. You just need to clean the contacts inside. It's really easy, and I've put the video on my description. In the description also, there is a video how to change the motor where I do it blindfolded, just to show you how easy it is. That's for if you've had any horrible noises or any nasty smells. Please let me know how you get on with your repair in the comments below, and always think of me if ever you need anything for Henry. Please buy it from henrybags.co.uk. So what if the light on your Henry isn't lighting up? Well, if you missed my demonstration earlier, the power comes in through the plug, round the cable, and then through these two contacts underneath. It then gets transferred to the light. So if your light isn't turning on, it's nothing to do with your switch and motor. It's got to be the cable or the cable contacts underneath. It's only perhaps 5% of the time where it's the contacts inside that's caused the problem. They're easy to diagnose. You just need to undo the 4 screws underneath Henry's hat and then open it all up, take out the rewind, and you can physically see if the contacts are broken or not. 95% of the time though, if your light isn't coming on, it's because there's a break inside the cable itself. Now, they're quite hard to find, so you can just replace the entire cable, and I do have a video how to do that in the description below. But you can carefully wiggle your cable and see if you get the light coming on at all. The main area on the cable where it breaks inside is just below the plug. So, instead of replacing the whole cable, what you can actually do some of the time is take about 5 or 6 inch off and then just put a standard plug onto your existing cable, and that will often fix the problem. But again, you're going to have to investigate it on yours. Subscribe to my channel for more Henry videos. This next one is how to fix a loss of suction problem with your Henry.